hot day. It's like 100 and it's like 98 degrees.
Oh, see, it's melting. So I got the chilaquiles with the mimosa.
It's a margarita.
Margarita, yes.
Got some melted ice cream.
Melted ice cream.
It's getting warm.
Yum. All right. Dig it. Good.
Wekfest, bro, so
Wekfest 2023.
yeah, NSX.
Oh boy, here now we're starting off like that.
Dude, the Mario. This has been on the show for 3 years now.
Yeah. Look, and the guy's taking a picture next to it. He's like, yeah, I think it's cool.
So like, yeah, my brother, I show the village.
My little brother likes Mario. I took a picture for him.
It's on the other side delivery.
Compared to SoCon, this is so much.
It's like inside.
Like just, yeah, it's way better, dude.
Got the normal blue TRD.
Yeah, I see. Go all the way straight. TRD hub. Is that what you're saying? Yeah. There's the girl right there. Quit rubbing up on me, loser! Here she blows.
Alright, set that thing up, man. Gotta get those reactions.
Guys' reactions calling me a 3-cylinder engine owner.
Gotta wait.
I gotta wait.
What do you think about this car right here?
Kind of whack because it's still front wheel drive.
It's still a 3-cylinder.
It's still a 3-cylinder. Oh, getting into a trip. Look at that.
What?
Aerial view. Oh, he was.
I think I just recorded it on accident. Only a second. Sheesh, bro, this thing looks like, oh my god, this looks so sick. Alright, set up your GoPro.
Sometimes, yeah. They'll start giving it like thumbs up and whatnot. Or they'll like play it out to their friends. It's like a don't talk shit.
Is it good?
Yeah, you're good. Reaction time. Oh, really?
Ready, supercharged.
Something your Celica should have been a long time ago.
I'm selling it right now. Let me know. 5K. I'll ship it straight to you.
No.
Free shipping. 5K. It works. Someone send me 5K in my DMs and I'll send
Right.
it right to you. Free shipping.
They're not going to. Not the rope, the Velcro rope or whatever it's called.
Where?
This.
Oh, I don't know what it's called.
This color's clean, dude.
Dude, just look at the carbon accents and everything, the white wheels. Like, it's weird. Look, even has like a car over there.
Wow, one car Clayton likes.
Very nice. You know what's cool? I've always like when you turn them on at work and stuff and like that. I had like that.
Yeah, I know.
This is sick. I don't even know what it is. It's a Volkswagen.
Jeez.
Lincoln.
This is clean, dude.
Look at the speakers on the door.
You get in an accident? Is that even gonna crumble?
What?
Is that even gonna compress when you get in an accident? That's so thick, dude.
What year is this? Is it like a 60 something?
I don't know.
Actual Toyotas.
Can I borrow this for my RAV?
3S dinosaur. Ooh.
Distributors. All I can do the coil on tack mod. Can I borrow this for my RAV4? It's the experimental project.
With the side duct? What?
Oh, use it on the highway. We were riding out to the Livermore spot. Dude, these for cars are so sick.
Yeah. Fujiwara Tofu Cafe. That's the SoCal guys, right? Well, I'm gonna get copyrighted real quick. Who's?
Would you put this up in your room?
No.
I'll put TRD hub, and then if I rotary hub.
Your mom comes in and she's like, "What is that?
Mom, you don't know about TRD hub? It's my favorite.
I got my car on there."
Your grandma walks in. Do you own these cars?
The-
Yes, grandma.
The sex video where the guy's repairing the Celica.
Oh. Dude, put a screenshot in the video. This is
I will. Hey Clay, Eliminate's here.
Dude, I'm a really big fan. My favorite part is when you guys brought everyone out and you broke those gates. That was my favorite part. Dude, that was awesome. I like the VQs revving and the Mustangs revving. Dude, best meet ever.
Respect the spot.
Respect the spot.
Respect the spot.
Respect the spot. That's probably, I swear to God, probably like 10 grand in damages.
Dude, they're gonna get something. That's
That was so much fun.
dude. That's why they took it down their Instagram hella quick.
And they're never having a San Jose meet again.
No, they're like these fools, man. San Jose fools.
San Jose fools ruined it. You know what I mean?
Shopping spree. Oh boy.
Thank you guys. Thanks for waiting. 48.49.
What did you buy, boy?
A mechanics mat.
What did he say it was for? For the feet or for on top
He
of the
said both.
toe?
He says he assembles turbos on it.
I don't want to step on that, dude.
It's city doors. Like it's just a mission to protect things.
Seabass
Like
is
good
like,
stuff on.
All right, let's go. The Grady EF.
pulling you over. Don't be a dick.
Oh, is that a camera as well? The little square
it
thing?
is.
With the exhaust.
Why the shoes? Fastest one here.
Don't forget your shoes, Clay.
Sorry. Very on display. I'm a big fan, bro.
I don't want to create any problems here because I feel like the two possibilities of this award really care about it. This crew right here, it seems like they really care about it. So let's just all act grown up here. Scion of the festival goes to Dennis Matsunaga with the 2006 Scion XP. Dennis Matsunaga.
Is that the green one?
The green one or the white one?
I think it's the white one because I think the green one's the lady.
Oh,
The
regardless.
green one's the lady, I think.
Yeah.
The supercharged one.
Yeah.
Next category is
We
Mississippi.
probably both do very much care about this.
Is that okay with you guys?
Once again, your boy didn't win, which is fine.
Next year, we're gonna have our own booth. Okay?
Right. Are you gonna bring the MR2?
Bring the MR2, the RAV4, and the Celica.
That's $280.
Hey, what? What do you mean?
Well, oh wait, it's 75 each car, so that's 150.
What if I have my own booth, it's free, okay?
Right. They're gonna be like, "Who are you?"
You know who I
Play
am?
Bass Garage.
No. You know, Bay Area, play area. Ooh.
Bay Area, Clay
Bay
area.
Area, we doing it. We doing it. 2024, we're gonna be there, yo. It's gonna be a bunch of Toyotas. We're gonna bring instead of having a token Toyota, it's gonna be a bunch of Toyotas. They're gonna have to like differentiate the classes again.
Okay. How do you see?
Yep. You were not playing at all. No, I don't want my window down.
My boy, though.
Bitches.
Fuck.